Like everything else that we've looked at that has rules or properties, but now we have the properties that are particular to modulus or absolute values. Well, you can never have a negative absolute value. It's always going to be greater than or equal to 0. The absolute value of the square of an absolute value is the same as just squaring a regular number. All of these, to me, make sense. So, as we work through, there should be no real surprises. This may be unique to many, but all you're doing is finding the difference or how far apart they are. So, it is clear that absolute value of 2 is 2 solutions, 2 or negative 2 could be the solution. So, in general, here we go. If a is greater than 0, x is going to be plus or minus a. Pretty straightforward, I hope. How are we going to make use of this? Here we have 2x plus 5. The absolute value of that equals 1. So, 2 solutions. Inside of this has to equal either negative 1 or positive 1. So we work through the question to figure out our 2 solutions. So we have 2x plus 5 equals negative 1, or 2x plus 5 equals 1. Subtract that, so we have 2x equals negative 6, x equals negative 3. So negative 3 times 2 is negative 6 plus 5 is negative 1. Perfect. So there's one solution for x. And the other one, 2x equals negative 4, x equals negative 2. So we have 2 solutions, 2 possible cases that will work to give that solution. Same idea. Absolute value 2x plus 5 equals negative 2. How is that going to work for us? We can't have a negative absolute value. So what are we going to do in this case? Well, my recommendation is to take a double check. Think, can it work? Can we come up with something that will provide a solution for us? And no, there isn't. You can't have therefore no solution. Easiest question we'll ever do. And that's all we have to do to solve for an absolute value. We just have to consider the 2 possible solutions. And I'm done.